Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. So on today's video, okay, first of all, before I get to the video, I know the timing is kind of off, it's at night, but I really needed to film this video, so bear with me, and I just hope that the lighting is kind of favorable. So on today's video, I want to talk about scalp massage. Now, I know in one of my previous hair videos I talked about giving you guys an update on anything new that I get to do to my hair, or what I get to do as I undertake my protective style hair challenge. So scalp massage is what I have decided to, be doing oftenly, even as I'm having my protective style on. Yeah, so first of all, let me just say this: I have not been the kind of person to do scalp massages on myself, just because I find them kind of boring. I don't know why. But the flip side to it is scalp massage is really important because they help in, let me say, generating hair growth, if that makes sense. So what I do while massaging my scalp is that I use my fingertips and not my nails to apply pressure onto the skin. So you want to avoid massaging your scalp with your nails, just because you may end up causing bruises or cuts in the process, which might damage your hair follicles, and that's not a good thing. So let me give you guys a little bit of science here to make the process, kind of make sense. When you massage your scalp, it increases blood flow to the surface of the skin, most especially the hair follicles. So this in return enhances the strength of the roots of our hair, which is a plus. Another thing is that it reduces stress levels, which allow the body to function efficiently. This in return increases the ability of the hair follicles to grow hair. So in short, what happens is that if you massage your hair scalp, it reduces stress levels, which makes your hair follicles relax, and therefore it's able to work efficiently and grow hair in return. So that's a good thing as well. You can also use an oil to massage your scalp, like peppermint oil, because it helps in the increase of blood flow, but I don't. One, just because I don't have it, and two, I avoid using oils on my scalp because they make me feel itchy, so I just avoid them entirely. But it's something you can definitely consider doing while massaging your scalp. Yeah. And then one more thing, I don't do this while standing normally, like right now, just because I find it boring. So I prefer sitting down when I'm relaxed and then massaging my scalp in the process, so that way it makes it much easier to do. So I hope this video is helpful, and if it is, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me, have you tried scalp massages before? Like, have they helped you in growing your hair or not? Definitely share your experience with me down in the comment section below, and also don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also click the bell button beside the subscribe button, so that you get notifications every single time I upload a new video. And yeah, that's it. So up until the next video, bye bye.